Hey guys, welcome to the March 30th installment of Principles of Marketing lecture. I post these every Monday, and what I ask you to do is view this lecture and then email me to certify that you've watched it and that you understand the requirements for attendance for this week. And I can give you credit for attendance for Monday once you email me and tell me that you've seen this video. This week, we will be looking at social media, and this is chapter 9, and we'll be looking at how social media and digital marketing has affected marketing and the field and how we communicate our offerings. Um, it's just like the previous weeks. You'll have a discussion question that you will need to do by midnight on Wednesday. Your initial post should be 150 to 200 words, and it is based on a TED Talks video about making sense of marketing or of advertising in the digital age. I think that's the name of it. Making sense of marketing in the digital age. It's a TED Talks video, and there are some questions I'm going to ask you to respond to and discuss. That initial post should be is due by 11:59 on Wednesday. And once I see that, you'll get credit for Wednesday's attendance. And then remember, you'll have to respond to 2 of your classmates by Sunday at 11:59, and then I can give you credit for Friday. That should be April 3rd's attendance. So be looking out for that. Also, what I want to draw to your attention is there is a classroom activity. It's under the link in Module 3, review questions, classroom activities, uh, and role plays. Click on that link. There's a neat little video on McDonald's and how they tailor their offerings to different um, countries and the different products that they offer and the different food products that they offer in different countries. And there are some questions associated with that I'd like you to answer. And that is an exercise that we would have done in class if we were on ground. But I'll have you do it, submit it in a Word document, and you'll get those 25 points for classroom activities. Um, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you and walk you through whatever you need to do to help you get credit for attendance, credit for the classroom activities. Also, you have a case study due on Sunday by midnight, so look at that in Module 3. Um, that is due by 11:59 on Sunday, because then the following week we have our Module 3 exam. And I'll tell you more about that next week, but it's going to be a little different since it's online, so it'll be several essay questions instead of multiple choice questions. And I'll give you a review for that before you have to take it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Let me share just a teaser of what you'll be reading and studying this week. And it is on social media. And so it is chapter 9 in your textbook. It's called Digital Marketing and Social Networking. And what we want you guys to get out of it this week is we want you to be able to define digital media, digital marketing, and electronic marketing. We want you to be able to summarize the growth and importance of digital marketing. Want you to be able to describe the different types of digital media and how they can be used for marketing. We'll have you critique the 7 different ways consumers use digital media, clarify how digital media affects the 4 variables of the marketing mix. Remember, how does digital media affect product, price, promotion, and distribution? And then finally, at the end of the chapter, the authors talk about identifying legal and ethical considerations in digital marketing. So real interesting information here, really relevant. We are all tied to our cell phones and to social media. And how does that affect us as we develop, as marketers, as we develop marketing strategy and use the best vehicle to carry our message? If you remember, our message and our promotions are designed to inform, persuade, and remind. And what I'm going to ask you to do is think about those goals of communication and promotion in marketing, and then see how you can apply those to digital marketing. Some basic definitions: digital media is the electronic media that function using digital codes. It's how our apps work. It's how the websites work. This media is available via computers, smartphones, and other devices. Digital marketing develops communication, what I just talked about, and exchanges with customers through all digital media. And then finally, electronic marketing, or what we call e-marketing, uses both digital media and digital marketing to distribute, promote, and price products, discover the desires of customers, and that's usually through that customer relationship management database that we talked about. And it helps marketers to share information to the customers. Now customers can communicate directly with the company through the company's website, through the company's Facebook page, or Instagram account, or Twitter account. And so consumers have more of the power in transactions now because they are armed with information about prices and features of the products, and they are able to contact the companies directly and ask questions, voice concerns, or lavish praise. Growth and benefits of digital marketing: able to share information with our customers if we're marketers, and if we're customers, customers can share information with marketers, communicate and develop relationships. We want to develop those customer relationships because they can lead to customer loyalty and lifetime customer value. And if we can get our customers to prefer and want our products over our competitors, and we have good relationships with them, we can count on them to be consistent customers. Share information again, so that must be important, right? Small businesses reach new markets and access inexpensive communication channels through digital marketing. Large businesses can use it as supplements to their brick and mortar stores, especially if we're talking about e-commerce. So a lot of great information about digital marketing, the internet, social media, to get our point across and to market our goods and services. So that's what we are looking at this week. It's chapter 9. Read the chapter, look at the PowerPoint slides, engage in the discussion forum that we have, and hopefully this will make sense to you and be meaningful to you as it relates to marketing strategy. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to call me, text me, email me. I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Hey, it's been a pleasure, guys, and I will see you on the discussion boards. Bye.